My daughter Emily was diagnosed in utero at 24 weeks with hypoplastic left heart syndrome. Essentially, the left side of her heart did not form. So we first came here to Cardinal Glennon and met the doctors probably around 27, 28 weeks.
Once when she was born, her heart wouldn't be able to support life. When you first hear about a diagnosis like that, you immediately think the worst case scenario, and you don't think that things will work out.
A scary time, of course, a lot to take in, but immediately felt comforted, the whole family.
And so they took care of us as much as they took care of the patient. I think I was here for like 17 straight days before I left. The nurses are kind of like your lifeline here because you're basically sitting in a room, and if you miss a round of doctors because you're like sleeping, the nurse is there, and you become very close to them very quickly because you can see how much they care about their patients.
The staff got to know Tim and I so well, and our other daughter, Natalie, and I have personal cell phone numbers that I know I can call people if something comes up. It's just incredible.
We're very proud of the overall hospital staff that we have here, and it really is dependent on every single person at Cardinal Glennon who impacts the lives of the children and their parents and extended family members.
So we have another surgery ahead of us when she's either 2.5 or 3.5, so next year or the following year.
Very stressful time, but they've done a remarkable job. Emily's doing well and progressing along to the next stage.
It's not just a surgery to them. I think they think of it as, this is my daughter or my niece or my grandchild going through this situation, and I'm going to treat them how I would my own family members. And that's just invaluable.
I've lived in St. Louis my whole life just about, and driven by this hospital a ton, and never realized I would need this hospital or, really understood what went on in the hospital.
And there's nowhere else we would rather be. We're meted with big hugs by everybody that we see that we know, and it's just, we're so thankful for Cardinal Glennon.
It's hard to let people know how much they mean to you. We would probably be a family of 3 instead of a family of 4. So it's hard to put into words how much that means to you.